Only on News 5, they are convicted criminals with several felonies in their past, but now they have a chance at a clean slate.
A change to Ohio law would allow them to have their records sealed to the public, and potential employers would never know what happened. As News 5's Bob Jones reports, there's some strong reaction on both sides.
Under the old Ohio law, people with one felony and one misdemeanor could try to have their records sealed. But the new law dramatically changes the eligibility rules for expungement. Now, people with up to 5 felonies of the 4th or 5th degree could get a fresh start.
That, I would say, is a big leap, going from 1 to 5.
The new law passed just days ago means people convicted of several drug and theft offenses could pay $50, ask the court to seal their record, and if granted, no longer admit to past crimes during job interviews. That's concerning to Summit County Judge Allison McCarty.
As a potential employer of people that may come to my home and work in my home or do things for my family, I certainly would want to know if that person has a criminal background.
Bernie Rochford from the Drug Treatment Center Oriana House believes a major reason for the expungement changes, more people caught up and arrested in the opioid epidemic.
You could rack up 3, 4, 5 felony offenses pretty quickly over several years in your youth or in a period of desperation.
Rochford supports the new law, believing it will break down barriers and create a fresh start for those trying to rebound from a criminal past.
They can't find employment, or maybe they've found employment, they've done a nice job, they've lost their job because of through no fault of their own, and now they're back in the market to get a new job.
People who commit violent or sex offenses or felonies of the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd degree could not have their records erased. But those who have committed less than 5 lower-level felonies could be eligible for expungement, 3 to 5 years after their last crime. Judge McCarty now expects many hearings will be requested, but stressed the court has discretion over whether to seal.
I'm going to be the instrument that's going to be denying that information to our citizens. So I'm going to feel that obligation heavily.
While the public will not have access to sealed records, law enforcement will still have access to a database, allowing them to see if a suspect had prior run-ins with police. In Akron, Bob Jones, News 5.